Hi there, I'm Alejandra Martinez, and I'm the Artistic Director for Innersense Organic Beauty. I'm excited to share with you Hair Love Prep Spray. Innersense Organic Beauty is the leader in clean, professional hair care. The entire line is formulated by stylists for stylists. Clean hair care means formulas created without any synthetics, silicones, plastics, resins, or fillers. As a stylist, I appreciate Innersense Organic Beauty's transparency and ingredient disclosures. It makes it easy for clean stylists like me to know what's inside of each product. Hair Love Prep Spray is designed to prime the hair for styling. It provides optimal body, style retention, and thermal care. This product is perfect for every hair texture and hair type. Hair Love Prep Spray makes it super easy for clients to get great results at home. Baobab supports thermal and environmental care. Vitamin B restores shine and plumps the hair shaft. Rice protein increases flexibility and tensile strength. ANGELICA root boosts scalp circulation and nourishes damaged hair cells. AMETHYST crystal connects us to our crown chakra to create a truly deep and loving relationship with our hair. Hair Love Prep Spray provides thermal care for all hair types. This product is the clean hair care solution for preparing the hair for heat styling. Hair can withstand a certain amount of heat styling to a degree. Ultimately, nourished, hydrated hair is the key to styling success. Now that the hair is prepped, we'll use my favorite Innersense Organic Beauty products to achieve the perfect style. Here's the final result of Hair Love Prep Spray.